Take a look at this complete rear axle kit for the Dana 44. Designed for Jeep JK owners who refuse to compromise on quality. This kit features two axle shafts forged from 4140 chromoly steel for unmatched strength and ductility, finished in black oxide for superior corrosion resistance. Precision cut to fit perfectly, these axles offer a dual lug pattern, 5-on-5 for stock JKs and 5-on-5.5 for greater versatility. With a robust 35 spline, big spline upgrade, they're ready to handle modern engine torque on and off-road. The kit includes rugged retaining plates, wheel studs, ABS tone rings, axle seals, high-quality bearings, and lock rings. Every component you need for a smooth, worry-free installation. At 10 Factory, quality is more than a promise, it's our obsession. Experience legendary reliability and performance with the 10 Factory Complete Rear Axle Kit for the Dana 44. Designed to keep you moving wherever the trail leads.